If you are planning to study medicine and surgery aka MBBS in Italy, then in this video I'm going to share when admissions will open for medicine and surgery for 2026-2027 session. I will share all the deadlines for each and every university. I hope you know there are 17 different public universities where you can apply for medicine and surgery. So I'm going to tell you all the deadlines. Basically, first we will start with when admissions will open and what kind of applications you have to do, and when you will be applying, where you will be applying, and how you will be applying basically. After that, when you have to book IMAT exam, because I hope you know, if you want to study medicine, then for Italy you have to write IMAT exam, and there are certain deadlines when you have to book that exam and when you will be writing that exam, and after that when you will have to do final enrollment. All right, I will simplify the process as well. But before continuing this video, watch till the end, because in the end I will share the bonus, because I will be telling you how you can do all your process by yourself without any help of a consultant, not any else. Because lots of students were saying to me when admissions will open, because consultants are saying admissions are open, just like sign up, we will do your process. They are for money, so you have to be cautious. Let's begin this video. And before moving on, just subscribe this channel, turn on the bell icon so you can get all the notifications for upcoming videos, because I will be sharing all the news and updates regarding medicine surgery for 2026-2027. Alright, so let's begin this video. If you're European or non-European, I'm going to simplify this process for both of you. So let's begin with first when admissions will open. Remember this, for medicine and surgery there is just one intake, which is September intake. So admission usually open in April and May, and they will be open until your IMAT exam that will take place on 17th September. So in between you can apply. But as I told you, there are 17 different public universities. Every university has got different deadline. Some universities will open throughout 4 or 5 months, but some universities will be opening for limited time, and some universities will even open in March. So let's talk about for each one of them and when they will be opening, where you can find the deadline and how you will be doing everything. Okay, let's begin with firstly, if you are non-European, we will talk about basically non-European first, and we will move on to European. So if you are non-European, you are from Asia, any other country which is not part of Europe. So if you are from there, you have to do pre-enrollment. Pre-enrollment is must if you wanna study any degree in Italy, any degree. Okay, there are two kinds of applications. Pre-enrollment, which is must. The second one is pre-registration. It's not like a difficult thing. It's just some universities, I won't say some, very few, like University of Messina, University of Pavia, University of Marche, and University of Sapienza. These 4 universities were requiring pre-registration previous year. So if there is any other university that get add up to the list, I will share on my WhatsApp channel and on my Instagram, so you can follow there. All right, now what is pre-registration? Okay, pre-registration is basically these 4 universities were saying upload your document firstly on our website, and they had a fee of 10 euros, 25 euros, and even 35 euros for Pavia. So you have to pre-register, and once you pre-register, they will evaluate your documents, and then they will be giving you pre-acceptance letter. Now once you get that pre-acceptance letter, whatever the date they have decided, it takes usually 2 months, and they will be giving you that. And now you have to do pre-enrollment. Pre-enrollment is must. But apart from these 4 universities, all other universities were saying you have to do pre-enrollment, just pre-enrollment, nothing else. Pre-enrollment is going to open, I told you, end of March or start of April. But for medicine and surgery, I would say you have to do in May. So you have to do in May. Okay, you have to do pre-enrollment on university.it. It's really simple. You will create your account. There are 3 steps. You will fill that. Okay, once you are done, just submit it, and after 2 months, they will be giving you summary. That's simple. It's a little process. Okay, now let's come back. For University of Marche, they will open their pre-registration in March. Remember this, they have strict deadline, so they will be open for just 1 month or maybe 2 months. Previous year their deadline was 31st March. So I told you pre-enrollment will open late, but University of Marche is going to open their pre-registration really early. This is the only university that opens really early. So make sure that if you are interested for University of Marche, they have 10 euro fee. You will apply in March, and you will be creating account on their portal on their website. You will complete all the steps. Every single thing will be there. Fill the form, upload documents, and pay the fee. They will evaluate and they will be giving you pre-acceptance letter. Okay, for University of Messina, they will open in March, late March, or they will mention all the deadlines on their website. I would suggest, if whatever the university you are interested in, you are going to check their deadlines on their website, because they will be mentioning there. And most importantly, as non-European, you can just apply for one university. So make sure that whatever the university you have decided according to merit, because that is the very, very tricky thing, and that is the thing that will matter a lot. We will talk about in some other video, but now let me tell you, for University of Messina, they will open in late March, first round, and second round in May or June. Whatever will be, they will be mentioning on their website. Okay, for University of Pavia, they usually open in May, and they will be open throughout. Their previous year, their deadline was 30th August, so it's a huge time. Okay, for University of Sapienza, previous year their deadline was July. Now I'm not sure for what it's going to be for 2026. Stick with their website. Whatever it will be, they will mention there. Okay, for rest all the universities. Okay, there is one more university, University of Catania. Their deadline was July 30th. So make sure that the best thing is how you can find all the deadlines. First of all, follow the WhatsApp channel, link down below, where I will be sharing all the deadlines. Secondly, if you can do that, check all the deadlines on universities medicine and surgery page, whatever the universities you are interested in. Okay, rest all universities like University of Bologna, University of Padua, all these universities were open until IMAT registration deadline, which was 9th September. So they are going to be open. You can do that. It's not an issue, because maximum universities close when your IMAT booking will close, IMAT registration will close. Okay, all right. Now we will talk about IMAT registration, but before that, let me tell you, for Europeans, you have to pre-register on university's website. So remember, you can apply to as many universities as you want, but there is a catch. Very few, I would say not very few, some universities require pre-registration, and they will separately open for European, and they have really strict deadlines. So stick with the universities. You will get to know website. And the most important thing, maximum universities will count you in when you will book IMAT exam. You will select university's preference. Most universities won't require pre-registrations. They will just count you in through your university's booking, and you will be in ranking, and you can do the final enrollment. They will verify your documents, and if you met all the requirements, they will get you in. Okay, now let's talk about the most important thing, which is when IMAT registration will open. So remember, mark these things, because this is very, very important, and previous years lots of students were confused. IMAT registration will open in late August, and it will be available till the start or the second week of September, but IMAT will take place on 17th September. Okay, this is happening from ages. Only in 2023 exam took place on 17th October. Rest it was on 17th September. So yeah, IMAT registration will end on in second week, and IMAT will be right after. On 17th September, you will be getting all the instructions when you have to attempt, where you have to attempt. IMAT rankings will publish in October, and you will have to do final enrollment in October if you got into merit. Okay, so these were all the deadlines, and for universities, these are going to vary. So whatever the university you are interested in, just comment down below. And if you have liked this video, thumbs it up. Now, if you are interested in how you can do all process, step-by-step process, I have explained in this video, where if you watch this, you won't even need consultant. And in this video, you can get to know about how you can prepare for your IMAT exam for 70+ scores. So see you in next video. Subscribe this channel. Tada, bye bye.